Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. A house is a valuable property. To buy it, many homeowners have to save for years or apply for a ownership loan. Especially after you occupy it, the value of your home will increase with the various items in it. Can you imagine the amount of material loss that will be your burden when one day the house where you live is burned down? This is one of the reasons someone chooses to insure their home with the best home insurance. But be careful when choosing insurance. It could be that you actually experience losses due to the wrong choice. To avoid disappointment in the future. Besides that, most people will think that a house is an asset and a very big achievement in their life. This is certainly very reasonable, considering that a house is obtained with a very long process and hard work over a long period of time. By looking at the fact above, it is only natural that you will always want all the best care and protection for your home. This will prevent you from experiencing a number of risks of loss that can come at any time to the house. Because basically no one on you can predict when disaster will come. For that you need protection for the start, namely by using home insurance. Although it is not as famous as life insurance and health insurance, home insurance is also well known and widely used by the public. This is due to the high public awareness of the various risks of loss and natural disaster that can occur at any time. Home insurance is insurance that provides protection against losses due to fire, theft, or damage caused by natural disaster. By having home insurance, all forms of risks of loss arising from the various things mentioned above will be borne by the insurance company. That way you can relax and feel comfortable because your assets have maximum protection that will prevent you from worrying and even being afraid of this thing. Imagine that will happen if at any time a fire disaster struck your house and consumed the entire building and the asset in at once. This incident will certainly be very scary, right? Given that a house is a valuable asset and has historical value for you and your family, you will be emotionally devastated by this incident. Then how about the repair? If you do not have insurance, then all losses arising from this accident will be your own responsibility. It's easy if you have enough funds, but what if you don't have the fund for it? Then you can be sure that you and your family will suffer and experience financial difficulties. Problem in handling jobs that bring a steady income every month. It is difficult to return to your initial position or condition. The most important benefit of home insurance is to provide financial compensation for damage or loss due to risks borne by the type of residential insurance. This means that his insurance benefit will only be received when a disaster occurs. Never underestimate the problem of home insurance. The protection is very large and has very important benefits for you and your family. Not only major damage, but various other minor repairs due to natural disaster will also be covered by it. And then there are several things that should be considered before choosing home insurance, namely guarantee cover looks. Look carefully at what is included in the coverage covered by the insurance company. Is the protection you need most in it? For example, if you live in a densely populated area, you need fire protection because the start of a fire in an area like this will easily spread to other houses in the vicinity. However, if you house in a flooded area, choose home insurance that has protection against the risks of floodings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give, like, comment, and subscribe